SMC Dan 2.0 is finally here, and in this video I will share all the benefits and everything you need to know about it and how it will help you become a profitable Forex trader by only spending 15 minutes a day in front of the charts. This SMC Dan 2.0 transition means more profits, more value, and more freedom. Now, let me go more in depth on each and every single one of them. In the SMC Dan trading group, only pending orders are sent. Buy limits or sell limits only. Pretty much set and forget. Why? Because like this, everything is 100% transparent and every single one of you has time to input a trade without having to rush and profit from it as I do. Because I noticed that many of you don't have 2 to 3 hours a day to be active with the day trades I used to send, to place them and then to delete them because of the news, and therefore not getting the most out of them, and also knowing that the higher time frames are more profitable and also less time consuming than the lower time frames. That made me understand that it's time to fully transition towards swing trading. Now, only 15 minutes are required every single day for you to be able to place the trades I am sending and be consistently profitable with them instead of 2 to 3 hours that you used to spend for the day trading setups. On average, between 6 and 15 trades play out in the VIP during a full week, and between 2 and 4 trades in the free group. Once you decide to join the VIP, you'll also receive a message from me with the suggested way of trading the setups. And now I also want to show you why I sent out 3 different take profits instead of only 1. The reason I send out 3 different take profits is because like this, everyone can choose what's most suitable for them. What do I mean by that? There's people that are more comfortable with having a bigger win rate and a lower risk to reward ratio. And then there's people that are more comfortable with a bigger risk to reward ratio, but of course a smaller win rate. And because of that, I send out 3 take profits. Take profit number 1 is at 1.0.8 risk to reward ratio. Take profit number 2 is at 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and take profit number 3 is at 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Now your job is to ask yourself, okay, am I more comfortable with a higher win rate but with a smaller risk to reward ratio? If the answer to that is yes, go for the TP number 1. If you're more comfortable with a higher risk to reward ratio but a smaller win rate, go for TP2 or TP3. All of these take profits are very profitable if you apply proper risk management and stick to your plan. And I will show you that with the equity simulator. So let's say you want to go for the TP1 only because you want to have a bigger win rate. Psychologically, it's a lot easier for someone that has a higher win rate. Why? I will show you immediately. So let's put a 100k account because I know that a lot of you trade prop firms and the 100k challenge is the most popular one. For a 0.8 RR, which is our first take profit, the win rate is between 70 and 75%. So let's put 72%. The risk percentage would be 1% per trade. Now let's run the simulation and check this out. Look how profitable the graph looks like. Every single curve is in some very good profits. That's why I said that every single take profit will be profitable if you apply a proper risk management, stick to your plan, and keep it simple. Okay, it's only a matter of you choosing which of the 3 take profits is the most suitable one for you. As we can see, min equity 99k, which is perfectly fine. Max consecutive losers 3 in a row, max consecutive winners 18. This is what I wanted to show you. With a higher win rate, this number right here will be smaller. With a smaller win rate, this number right here will be higher. So if you're aiming for a bigger RR, if you're aiming for TP2 or TP3, you need to be okay with having more losers in a row because losing streaks are also part of the game. Let's run it again. We can see once again very profitable. Max consecutive losers once again 4 and winners 17. Okay, so we can see that with a higher win rate, if you aim for TP1, you won't have many losers in a row. On average, I would say between 3, 4, and 5. And the winners will be a lot higher due to the higher win rate. Now, if we go for TP2, that's 2RR, and the win rate for that is between 50 and 55%, which is very good, but let's use 52%. Let's run it. We can see once again, you will be profitable, okay? But check this out, max consecutive losers is now 8. So you gotta be okay with more losers in a row every now and then, whenever a losing streak occurs. Everything else looks very good, very profitable. We can run it again. Check this out once again, looking very good and profitable. Check this out though, 14 losers in a row. You gotta be okay with that. Like I said, psychologically, it's a lot easier for aiming for TP1. But of course, you can also aim for TP2 or TP3, and you also can implement a break-even method. A break-even rule that will decrease this number right here of the max consecutive losers. And now let's go for the TP3, 3RR with a 36% win rate. It varies between 35 and 40%, but let's use a 36 and let's run it. And we can see once again that the graph is looking very profitable. Max equity, almost 200K. But check this out, max consecutive losers, 15. You gotta be okay with that. Trading is a game of probabilities and losing streaks are part of it, right? So this is why I hopped on the FTMO equity simulator to make you aware of the fact that it is very important for you to choose what's most suitable for you, and also understand that trading is a probability game. It is a game of numbers. Our edge is definitely profitable. As we can see, every single one of the take profits is very, very solid. Your job is to choose either one of them, stick to it, and apply proper risk. Now that you know what take profit is the best fit for you, I am also very happy to be able to let y'all know that the success rate and profitability is even better than it was before when I was sending out day trades. And it's not like before the results weren't good, because people were constantly being able to grow their own personal accounts, to pass prop firm challenges with the day trading setups, or even to grow their own live funded accounts with the day trading setups. But now the profitability is better, as well as the success rate. The win rate for TP1 used to be between 60-65%, sometimes close towards 70%. Now it's between 70 and 75%. For TP2, the win rate used to be between 42-ish and 47-ish. Now it's between 47 and 53, sometimes even 55. And for TP3, the win rate used to be between 30 and 35, and now it's between 35 and 40. And that means that if you use a proper risk management and stick to the plan, you should be able to easily grow your own personal account, to pass prop firm challenges, and to even grow live prop firm funded accounts. Since I've just told you what I mean by more profits and more freedom, now it is time for me to tell you what I mean by more value. I've seen so many people grow because of the weekly live VIP coaching sessions. I understood how valuable they are, hence why now we will do more weekly live VIP coaching sessions. At least 3 sessions a week in the VIP, and I will also share one session in the free group as well every single week. In terms of the schedule, it's going to be very simple. The trades will be sent every single morning and updated throughout the day. And the best part about it is that now no one will have to rush to place them, because previously when I was sending out trades on the M15, although there were buy and sell limits only, because they were on the M15, you had to be pretty fast with the placing, because sometimes after 10 minutes they could have triggered, whereas now it would probably take hours for the pending order to trigger. Hence why you guys will have plenty of time to place them and not miss out. Now that you know all the details and benefits, feel free to join us and become consistently profitable with only 15 minutes a day. And lastly, I briefly wanted to mention that I really do think this is a unique community. Not only because we do things differently, because we only send pending orders and we do weekly coaching sessions, and because everything is 100% transparent, but also because we offer 24/7 support. I will always be there doing daily video updates, answering questions, trading questions, off-topic questions, and besides, there will also be exclusive services like the mentoring program if you want to learn the ways, the systems I use, and also a passing service that will basically pass your prop firm challenge and allow you to trade a bigger account. And that being said, I'm really looking forward to meet you in one of the live coaching sessions.